Hello, my friends. Welcome to Forex. Today is 20 September 2022. Sorry that I've been off the Forex channel for quite a few days. Firstly, I was a bit busy, okay, doing on the other channel, the stock market channel. So another thing is, as we are heading to FOMC, right? There aren't much opportunity to trade anyway. Okay, so you can see, right? Wednesday. Okay, so today Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we are heading to FOMC. Okay, Thursday morning. We are in Asia, right? Singapore time. Okay, so actually it's Wednesday evening for US, right? So Monday to Wednesday, right? There won't be a lot of opportunity. Market will not move because everyone is worried about the 0.7 basis point, right, height. Then after that, the speech from Jerome Powell, right, we want to see whether he's hawkish or he's dovish on the uh, on the speech, or is there a possibility of a 1.0 height? Okay, so market is just uh, waiting, okay, waiting for the announcement. So there's nothing much to trade basically for these few days. Nonetheless, okay, I'll go into the uh, go into the chart, okay, to take a look what other possibilities, what are the potential area, okay, we want to watch out. Okay, take a quick look at this introduction first.
Disclaimer: be advised that I am not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I am sharing this information for education purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video.
Okay, let's check out the news. So we got CPI numbers today, Tuesday. Okay, coming out for this Canadian dollar. So you might want to watch Canadian dollar. Okay, for any big move. Okay, not against USD. Okay, against USD, I don't think any currency will move much against USD. Okay, maybe Aussie CAD. Okay, you can try CAD yen. All those. Okay, which I don't trade much. Those probably will move, but against US dollar, you have to wait for this. Okay, FOMC. So Wednesday we got home sales, and President Lagarde speak. Okay, but all these will not move the market much. Okay, everyone is waiting for the FOMC. Okay, so after FOMC, then only probably we'll look for other opportunity. So we also got uh okay, that is on Tuesday morning. Okay, then we got this Japanese, they will have a monetary policy statement. Then Japan. Then we got this Swiss franc. Okay, policy assessment, policy rate. Okay, this interest rate, which is from 0 to 25 to minus 0.25 to 0.5. Okay, 0.75% up. And on Thursday, so there's a lot of things happening on Thursday. Also, we also got this bank rate from this Britain, okay, which is 0.5% up, right? 0.5. Okay, so a lot of things happening on Thursday. Okay, so I won't be trading into Thursday until after all this. Okay, then only we get the PMI number. Okay, which will help to move the market. We got Friday, we got Euro free PMI, we got a pound, Britain UV PMI, and we got a CAD, Canada core retail sales, and US PMI, flash PMI numbers. So this will move the market a bit. Okay. These are the probably you can trade over here, but over now I don't think there's a lot of opportunity to trade. Let's type into the chart. You see DXY, right? DXY have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have been 5 days after a big move due to the high CPI numbers. Okay, you can see just consolidating sideways. There's nothing to trade. Oh, there's nothing to trade here. There's no pattern. Of course, you can see there's a bullish pin bar over here, a bearish pin bar, two of them here. Whether we can trade or not. First of all, these are counter trend, right? The trend is up, right? So this bearish pin bar is counter trend. So do you actually want to take a counter trend pin bar? You see, it's not moving anywhere though. You see, two pin bar in a row, it's not moving anywhere. So we are waiting. Euro is a bit more active. Okay, it's starting to go down, go up a bit. Okay, minor movement. We got a gap up, so we still got minor movement on euro. So a movement is not big. Okay, and you see, you can't see any, you can get any good pattern over here. Oh, we got bearish engulfing, pin bar. You know, we are not all dodgy bar. How you going to? What are the direction that you want to trade? Pound. Okay, pound is one of the weakest currency, but pound, you see. There are some buyers are defending this 1.14 area, 1.14. We got tail over here, so we are not going to buy this because it's on a downtrend, right? You know, on a strong downtrend. Swiss franc, okay, Swiss franc going sideways. You see, there's nothing much to trade. Okay, even you've got a bearish engulfing over here, but on a downtrend, but we are not. Okay, we are not trading this bearish engulfing. Why? Okay, because this is on the uptrend, right? So we don't want to trade counter trend. Japanese yen, okay. Japanese yen has been just consolidated here, nothing much, okay, nothing much. It's on a downtrend, but nothing much, nothing moving. Let me put this one a bit softer. Okay. Aussie, okay, Aussie dollar is weak, okay, but also it's for the last 5 days it doesn't move, okay, it didn't move anywhere. New Zealand dollar also it didn't move, okay, it didn't move much. New Zealand dollar is weaker, it moved a bit down, okay, but not much. Also, there's not much to trade, huh? Look at Euro USD. Euro USD basically sideways, right? If you're trading this, you're trading for the last few days, you'll be confused like crazy. Might as well you don't trade. As I said, right? I want to wait for a buy opportunity up here. Okay, a retracement to this area. Okay, come to the supply demand area, or we call it support resistance area, or now there's a new phrase people call it. Okay, supply and demand. Okay, I just learned a new phrase. Okay, they call supply and demand. Last time we called support resistance. Supply is demand better. Why? Because supply and demand actually tells you that there are buyers or sellers over here. Sellers over here. Okay, supply and there are supply and there are demand. Okay, so there are a lot of these people who want to take profit. Okay, those who buy here, we take profit over here. Okay, we have the supply and there are a lot of sellers here. We'll take the sell. Okay, we'll sell over here. Okay, we take the other side of the trend. Okay, so there is a supply and demand. So now the support resistance, I think it's a bit old already. The phrase people use, right? Support resistance is like from the 80s now. People are call it supply and demand, right? Where there is a lot of sellers, where there are sellers waiting to sell, where there are buyers waiting to buy. Okay. Initially, when I say support and resistance, right, I'm very technical. Okay, we are looking at chart. I'm looking at this as a mechanical kind of a pattern. Okay, so when I talk about it as a supply and demand, then now you can see these are actually people. Okay, they are actually fund manager. Okay, waiting to sell, right? Waiting to sell. Okay, so now if the price come back again, okay, these people, right, already sell over here. Okay, they already sell one time over here, they will sell again. Okay, why? history always repeat, right? History always repeat. You already make money doing this, you want to make money again doing that. So probably it come back here, okay, the sellers are waiting to sell. But if it goes through, what happened to this seller? Okay, they would normally, okay, they are here, they want to sell, okay. But if it breaks through, what happened? They say, oh, the market has turned around. So what these people will do? Okay, what these sellers will do? They say, oh, now I see the market turn around. So they jump to the other side and they start to buy, right? So these are all people, instead of, initially last time, we used to think of this as a candle, okay, very mechanical. Candle, pattern, candle, pattern, candle, pattern, you know. So after so many years trading, okay, so I just need to change my view a bit, okay, not too mechanical, okay. These are actually people, okay. Where are the place that people want to buy and sell, okay. So we got a buy here, okay, a big buy bullish candle, so we know there are buyers over here, okay, there are buyers over here. Okay, you see big bearish engulfing here, we know that there are sellers over here, okay, sellers waiting to sell. Okay, so this area, they are waiting to sell. This area, there are buyers waiting to buy, right? So this is how we're going to trade, okay, from today onwards. So now it's in the middle, so nothing to do, okay? We have to wait for it to come back to here, this area I remarked last week, okay? Have patience, nothing much we can do here. Of course, prior to the week, I said we can sell over here, right? If you did sell over here, you already make a good profit, but it didn't reach the target below here, but you can already take profit because going to FOMC, don't hold anything. Best not to hold. Okay, pound USD. Okay, pound USD continue to have, already we have this rejection over here. Okay, so there are some buyers over here. So where are the supply and demand area? Here, 1.178810. Okay, supply and demand. Okay, so we got, look at here, we got sellers over here. Okay, so they are waiting. So if the price come back to this sellers area, what they will do? They will sell again, right? Now, okay, we see there are buyers over here. Okay, buyers, they are trying to buying it up. Okay, so if now they are buyers, okay, but what happened if the price breaks through? Okay, buyers will become, or they say, oh, this level already broken. So what all these buyers will do? They will start to sell. Okay, so this is the psychology now. Okay, so we're talking about real psychology. Okay, I mean the trading psychology. So if the price come back to here, we want to sell. If the price broke through, okay, retest resumption, these buyers will turn sellers, will continue to sell. Okay, so these are the psychology of this currency trading. Okay, this trading, this our new psychology approach. Okay, so I'm not going to make it too mechanical. Okay, last time I used to be very mechanical. Okay, now I changed my mind a bit, changed my approach a bit. Okay, now I see the candle, I see people. Okay, last time I see candle, I see a mechanical pattern, right? Mechanical pattern. Okay, look like a computer analyst, computer pattern, right? Now I change my psychology. I see people. Okay, all these people. Where are the people waiting? Where are the people waiting to buy? Where are the buyers waiting? Where are the sellers waiting? Okay, so now this one you can see. Okay, price not going up. Okay, so there are some buyers and some sellers. Okay, fighting. They are fighting. There are buyers, sellers over here trying to fight, trying to sell. Okay, so there are still some buyers trying to buy it up. Okay, there are buyers over here. So what happened? Okay, so we know this area, okay, where the buyers starting to buy the price up. So there are a lot of buyers over here. Okay, over here. If the drop price come back here, definitely they will buy again, right? So they are waiting here. Okay, what happened? Consolidation. If it breaks through, what happened? Okay, these sellers here already lost. Okay, they say, oh, the price broken through. Okay, my selling strategy already no more applicable. So now market, if come back to this area, what I'm going to do, all these sellers will turn to buyers. Okay, so when the market breakthrough retest resumption, we want to start to buy. All the price come back to here, we want to start to buy. Okay, so these are the psychology of the buyers and sellers. AUD. Okay, AUD USD, we got a head and shoulder already reached target area over here. Okay, just a hair below the target, just a hair to the target. Yeah, a little bit. So we consider this already hit target. Okay, so we want to see now. We want to wait for the price to retrace. Okay, and wait for where are the buyers. Now you see what are the sellers. Okay, because this is lower low, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high. Sorry, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high. So now we are going in a downtrend. Okay, so we want to see where are the buyers in the downtrend. Here, right, a big sell down, right? So we know there are sellers waiting here. Okay. Then here also, okay, this area also big sell down, so we know we got sellers waiting here. Okay. This area, they are fighting. Okay. Buyers and sellers are fighting, so they are not, we don't know who win. Okay. So we have to wait and see. Okay. If the price do break through, come back, retest, okay, we know the sellers won. Okay. So these buyers will turn sellers. Or if the price come back to this area, we know that the buyers are waiting here, buyers are waiting here. So the price come back to here, we are going to sell. And the price come back to here, we're going to sell. Right? So this one, and you see the price is not moving, okay, because FOMC coming. Okay, we want to wait for the big move after FOMC. We won't trade into the news. Okay, we won't trade into news. Why? Okay, news is the biggest manipulation in the world. Okay, most people lose money because of the news. Because a lot of time, what happened to news, right? Let's say they are expecting of a bullish USD. Okay, after the news come out, you will see that the market will drop first. Okay, the market will drop first. Okay, whichever force that he can control the market, or you call it market maker. Okay, we know that. Okay, USD gonna go up. But what happened? Everyone start to buy. It will go up for a while. Or it will trick us to, USD very strong. Okay, it will start to go up. So everyone buy. By then it will drop. Okay, all this get liquidated. Okay, all the buyers, okay, they put their stop loss. Stop loss here. Okay, they buy, right? All will be liquidated. After, okay, bank will start to feel their back, because we are going to, because we expect a uptrend. Okay, when the price drop, okay, all the stop loss is here, right? So bank will catch, will pick up all these stop loss, because to fill their buy order, right? To fill buy orders, there must be sell orders, right? Which means the stop loss over here. Okay. So they will fill all the stop loss. Once they got enough fill, they will push the market up again. That's why don't trade. The market could straight away go up. Okay, because the bank already make their fill over here before the actual before the news. They already fill. Okay, but a lot of time they haven't fill. Okay, the price will drop first. So you know you. It's just very difficult to do it. Okay, whoever say they are making a ton of money from news, you can try to catch their signal a few times, see whether there is the truth or not. Okay, USDCAD. Okay, USDCAD is on the downtrend. So now we got a pin bar. Okay, this is a possible trade. Okay, this is a possible trade. Let me see. But even though it's a possible trade, as I said, I won't trade until FOMC, right? Because there's just too much going on. Okay, there's just too much going on in order to trade. But if you want to take a trade, this is a possible one. Okay, we got a pin bar. But you see last time, right? Let me see. It comes back here. Okay, what happened? I'll tell you a bit about the psychology. Okay, last time the price consolidated here. The buyers won. Okay, buyers and sellers are fighting. Okay, the buyers won and the price went up. Okay, then there are sellers waiting here to sell. We know the sellers are here now. Okay, now we're playing something like a chess. Okay, then the sellers sell. The buyers were here. What happened? Okay, the buyers was here. What happened? They try to buy it up, but because the market is too strong, okay, they are unable to defend this area, so they are broken. Now price come back to this area. Okay, so what happened to this buyer now? They say, okay, the area that we defend, we buy already broken, so they will jump to the other side to sell, right? To sell now. Okay, that's why the broken support become resistant. Okay, so this is likely, okay, it will go down, but don't trade too big a lot. Maybe you want to trade, you trade a small lot. This is possible, right? This is not USDCAD, USD Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc, okay, USD Swiss franc is on the downtrend, so we got alignment with the trend. Okay, we got a support, okay, a possible support broken, okay, become resistant. Okay, so there is a possible sell towards these two, 0.96667 to 0.95379. Okay, USD Swiss franc. Hey, USDCAD. Hey, USDCAD, there is a possible sell, but because this is an uptrend, we are not going to go counter trend. Okay, but if you want, there is a possible sell opportunity over here. Okay, you can see long time ago, long time ago, long time ago in the galaxy somewhere, right? It's like it's like the you know what's this? Star Wars, right? Long time ago, introduction, right? Okay, here, okay, you see sellers over here. Sellers won one time over here. Again, the price came back. Supply demand area, the sellers won again. So we know now, okay, these are the area where the sellers are waiting, right? Sellers are waiting. Long time ago, so they are could be still waiting here. So now the price reaches this area, there is a high possibility the sellers will come in and sell again. Okay, so there is a high possibility they will sell again, but this is a counter trend. Okay, if you want to trade this counter trend, okay, you may, but counter trend, maybe you don't put such a big lot. Just put a small lot to try and see. Okay, because there is a pin bar over here, so the false break already done. Okay, already made the false break. Okay, after a false break, so there is a good chance that you can actually sell it down. Okay, in this one also false break. Or you want to wait for a confirmation red candle. Okay, a red candle, a confirmation candle, then only you go for the sell. Okay. Now, to which area you see the buyers? Okay, the buyers is waiting. Now we want to see. Okay, so you want to sell down to the area where, okay, before the buyers, where the buyers is waiting, you want to out. Okay, so you see this area. Okay, a big push up at this area. Buyers are waiting here. Buyers are waiting here, right? So the buyers are waiting around this area, 1.29639. So you don't want to sell to this area. Suddenly the buyers push it up, your profit gone. Want to sell somewhere near to this area and take profit, right? Okay. So I mark it green, red. Okay, the red line are where the buyers, I think the buyers are waiting, and the green line is where the sellers is waiting. Okay. Or red line. Something is wrong. Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm the one who confused. Okay. Buyers is green, buyers is green. Okay, buyers is green, sellers are red. Okay, these are the area where the buyers are waiting. Okay, SAU USD. Okay, go. Okay, go. Really hit the target over here. It didn't retrace. Okay, it didn't retrace. Straight away come and hit the target. So now, so there's a support resistance area over here. Some last time it's being bought up. So this one we can't actually see the big buyers and sellers area. Okay, but never mind. We have to wait and see what happened here. Okay, for the look of things, right, we could see a weak USD. Okay, it looks like a weak USD should be coming. Okay, you look at the DXY here, right? Right, no longer pushing up. So there's possibility of after the Fed, USD will turn weak. Possibility. Okay. Okay, so you see RSI divergence, right? RSI divergence. Okay, so there's a possibility that this one might reverse. For gold, okay, even though it reversed, we want to wait for sell. Why we want to wait for sell? Last time, okay, the sellers, okay, push the price down over here. Okay, over here. Okay, so we know the sellers are here, right? Then we want to wait for the price come back to this area again to sell. Now the price will release the possible buyers area. Okay, this area, support resistance area. I think we want to pull it. Hold on, let me remap this one. Okay, these are the areas where possible buyers waiting. So we don't want to sell here. Okay, we don't want to buy. We don't want to sell here. We want to wait for retracement. Okay, towards the 1731, 1760. SPI. Okay, SPI making lower low, lower low. Okay, the price broke through 6716. Okay, the price have a small rebound going back up. We got RSI divergence, so there's a chance that this stock market going to rebound. Okay, so there's a chance the stock market going to. We got a double bottom, somewhat of a double bottom. We got a okay, resistance broken, now become support. We got support over here. We got buyers over here. Okay, so there are buyers over here. It's going to buy it up. So there is a chance that the stock market going to rebound. Look at the SPI. We got a dark cloud cover. Okay, price open below here, below the previous open, then piercing line. Okay, we don't call it dark cloud cover, we call it piercing line. The last time buyers bought here at 6724, right now they are buying up again. Okay, so there's a possible buy opportunity over here for the Aussie, for the SPI 200. Okay, SPI 200, there are possible buy opportunity. DEX. Okay, DEX again, we got buyers over here. Okay, buyers over here. Okay, so these are the areas where we got the buyers. Okay, we need to buy, but this is a downtrend. Okay, there's a problem here. Okay, we don't want, this is a downtrend, right? So we don't want to go against the trend. Lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. Now we didn't make a lower low. Okay, so there's a potential. Okay, there is a potential of rebound over here. There is a potential rebound. Okay, and we got this engulfing candle. Okay, so there is a potential for DEX to rebound. Okay, potential buy for the DEX. So this head and shoulder, it doesn't materialize. Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq broken the channel here. It's trying to rebound somewhat a little bit. Okay, we got bullish candle here. So we got where are the buyers? Okay, buyers buy here. Buyers also want buy here. Buyers also bought here. So these are the area where we can see a lot of buyers. Okay, you see the buyers start to buy out. Okay, buyers over here. We got buyers over here. Okay, these are the area where the buyers will buy. Okay, so this one, there are potential that okay, it could go up. We got a bullish engulfing, but this is outside this trend line, so we have to really be careful on this one. Okay, it is outside the trend line. Let me see. Let me do the horizontal. Yeah, support become resistant. Okay, these are very important resistant area. Until it broken, we are not going to buy. Okay, we are not going to buy. Okay, until it's broken, then only we, for potential, we might want to start to buy. Or else we are still going to sell this. So this one I don't see a trade because we're gonna go up straight away, hit the resistance. S&P. Okay, S&P, we got a bullish engulfing yesterday. Okay, so there are potential that it might come up back to here. Okay, the problem is this. Okay, the psychology again the problem is this. You see okay, I'll show you the psychology Okay, the buyers won over here last time. The buyers won over here. If they managed to push the price up here. Okay, now the price has broken through their defense level 3909. What happened? Okay, they are broken through. Now these buyers, normally what happened? They will become sellers over here because their defense level has broken. Okay, now they start to sell. That's why it's not a good idea to buy into this US market first yet. Okay, wait for, I think it's better. I think don't buy in. Even though this one we got two bullish engulfing, bullish candle, but the problem is the price has broken through. Okay, and these buyers might become already turned to sellers. Okay, buyers win after broken through, they become sellers. Okay, so this one also, oil, crude oil. Okay, you got selling over here, so crude oil probably going down, but now it's sideways a bit, going nowhere. You got bearish engulfing here. Okay, this is where the sellers won, right? You see okay, the sellers won over here, push it down. Now the price come back to the same area, probably the sellers going to push it down, they really push it down, but now it's on the retracement, so we're not going to trade this. Okay, Bitcoin got some support. Bitcoin they are not letting it go through 19,337. So we got a big pin bar here, so the potential. Okay, Bitcoin gonna rebound. Ethereum also. Okay, the potential gonna rebound, but there's a problem over here. Okay, there's a problem where there are sellers over here. Why? Okay, support now is broken, it become resistant. Okay, so if until it broken the sellers here, then the sellers become buyer over above this 1422, then maybe you want to buy Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin also got a potential rebound. Got this pin bar over here. Okay, Litecoin, let me see, buyers won. Okay, so there are buyers over here, those 53. Okay, so they are starting to buy, so there are potential. Okay, we got a pin bar here, potential for the Litecoin to go up. Okay, so there are possible trade over here for Bitcoin. Okay, so looks like there are potential. So sum it up this week, right? After FOMC, I think there are potential for the stock market to rebound and for a weakening USD. Okay, for a weakening USD. Okay, because we see the US already start selling off here. Sellers already starting to sell over here. Okay, so there are potential, but as I said, okay, if you want to put in a position before FOMC, you can. Okay, put in a small position. After FOMC, okay, if the thing goes not your way, you lose a little money. If the things goes your way, okay, you earn money and Then also you can add to it. Okay, once you see, okay, the after FOMC, okay, the next day, the day after FOMC, market has decided your way. Okay, because don't look at the price during FOMC. They can go anywhere and they can fluctuate. Okay, they can whipsaw like crazy. So you don't look at it. Okay, you put in a position, put in position first. Okay, but make sure you put your stop loss. It could be something crazy. It could go the other way. Or it can have a big drop. Okay, then you lose a lot of money. Okay, it can even go gap down. You know, where the thing. Let's say I put a stop loss. Okay, let's say Euro USD. Okay, okay, I wanted to buy. Okay, because I think the market is going to reverse. Okay, I buy. I'll execute a buy. I put a stop loss over here, right? But do not, okay, if big FOMC event, if the things go crazy, okay, the USD becomes super bullish, okay, Euro USD, super bullish, it might gap down here, okay, then it start to go down, okay. So your stop loss is not taken out, okay, so you'll be still in the trade and it's still going down, okay. So this could happen, right? That's why you have to be very careful if you want to trade now, okay. That's why don't trade the news with big lot, okay. Let's say US go 1.0 and the Fed is extremely hawkish. Okay, what happened? Okay, you might get a gap down. Okay, so your stop loss is not taken out. So then after this one, it keep on going down. Okay, so your big lot size you get liquidated. Okay, you got your this whole account got blown because first it jumped your gap. Secondly, it continue go down. Okay, so that's why it's not a good idea to trade. Okay, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Okay, remember, subscribe, like, share, and comment, support the channel. Okay, today we talk about a lot about the sentiment. Okay, the supply and demand. Okay, the new phrase people are talking about. Okay, support and resistance is something like a O1, like in the 80s, 90s. Okay, the younger generation, they are talking about supply and demand, where okay, we look at the levels. Okay, we look at the chart as as people rather than mechanical line. Now we look at it as the lines as people. Okay, so now you're gonna idea, how to buy support and resistance or supply and demand. Okay, talk to you again. Bye bye.